Hi, let me introduce myself.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Joshua Pajardo and my address Purok Roadside, Barangay Tinampaan, Cadiz City, and my course BS Crim 1G, first year. And my short reason why I chose to become a future policeman. I want I want to be a police officer because I believe in justice and want to make a positive impact on my community. And what is important for learning martial arts. Remember, Ernest, disarming techniques are just tools. As a police officer, you also need to be a good communicator, understand the law.